Ladies and gentlemen, today we will try these moving supports for the beams that we made in our workshop, and they may fit. We will try to lift the beam that is underneath. If it's okay, we will continue putting them. So till it goes up, I think it can be secure. The problem is the beam is done with 4 thin beams. It's not only one. And apparently they are not attached one to another. So one between them is broken. And I'm not sure if we need to do something with it, if we need to keep it like this. So in this case, we need to bring all the beams composing the big beam together. And we will try to move it and try to close the crack and see what it does. If something moves, if the beam will lift completely, if not. And it's a test of engineering solution that we did like some time ago, and we will continue experimenting. We don't know how to do it, and actually nobody does. So we will gonna make the first try. If it works, we will put several. These will be temporary supports. The aim is to secure those beams before working underneath and everything. So let's try. With this tool, we can also measure the weight that we are pushing. Okay, now let's give some pressure. Oh, it's too low now. It's too low. It's too low, and I don't know what to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we need to continue doing this stabilization system. So I took some other measures we will have to adapt. So Aurélien, now he is doing the lower part, and then we will go and test if it will be okay. And then we will try to lift gently. The aim is to do a system that can hold everything. For sure, it's not a permanent system, because once the beams are stabilized, we'll have to put something on the sides to hold them to the wall and to cut the rotten part. Some of you were advising putting metallic beams, but I don't know if it's a really good solution for this case. Maybe some of them will be metallic, but I'm not sure. Stay with us. Ladies and gentlemen, so we managed to move the beam for about 2 centimeters. Now I left it for the night. We removed all the other acro props and we will see if something will move during the night. I took some pictures so we can see if anything moves. Already it was evident that the beam moved, and then we will see, and I think we will have still to adapt, because now our main jack for doing this job will be the red one, you know, the one that we have. All the others, they don't function as good as it, because how do you say, the amplitude of other jacks is quite smaller, so we cannot fit it. Apart this, you know, we are continuing doing. I don't know how we will manage, you know, to dismantle everything, but in this part of the building, for sure, everything has to be dismantled. So, see you soon. Have a good day. See you in the next episode. Like and subscribe, please. Doesn't want to wear nothing. Here there's an animal path. We already put there some cameras and we caught there a deer, a badger, a badger, and some other animals that we saw. So I think now with the grass, with the high grass, it's evident that you can see that animals go often by here. I think we have to put somewhere a camera here on the exit so we can see who goes here.